IKEA has always been known for selling affordable furniture pieces. But budget and affordable doesn't have to mean low quality when it comes to IKEA. So today I'm giving you my list of 20 affordable IKEA pieces that actually look like they belong into a designer store. These 20 IKEA products I've packed for you are high quality pieces and some of the best IKEA products, so stay with me as we go through all of them. But before we start, make sure to subscribe to the channel to never miss another video again. We're starting straight off with decor, and the first product I have for you is this set of 3 candlesticks. These candle holders are a part of the TÄLLBYN collection, where several vintage IKEA classics were given a new look. So being a retro product that has been given a new life, that's like already a definition of a high-end find. But despite that, this set of 3 candle holders has such a timeless and minimalistic design, yet will add so much interest to your space. Also, these are so affordable, they come at $9.99 for the set of 3. Another high-end IKEA find is this decorative fruit bowl that comes at $19.99. This one is a new product, but it really looks so interesting and unique. This smoked glass bowl is inspired by Swedish lakes and has a fluid shape that mimics gentle ripples on the surface of water, which gives it such an interesting and unique silhouette. You can fill this bowl with fruits or use it alone as a decor piece. Moving on to lighting, one of the most unique lights IKEA has ever released is this circle-shaped light that's a part of the VARMBLIXT collection. This light honestly looks like an art piece. I love it so much. It's just like a beautiful painting. Its soft light will surely be an eye-catcher and a conversation starter wherever you decide to place it. This LED light spreads soft mood light upwards and behind the surface where the wall lamp is bent, making such a cozy atmosphere into your space. Another lamp that's affordable but looks so high-end is the TÄLLBYN Table lamp. I've talked about this lamp in my top 10 IKEA lamps video. It's such a quality product that reminds me of the Louis Paulsen PH lamp, which we all know and love. This one's made out of mouth-blown milky glass and chrome-plated base, and the details make it look so good and so high-end. Now, speaking of affordable luxury, I have to share something that's been helping me take my IKEA finds to the next level. I'm so happy to say that this part of the video is sponsored by Craftsy, and I'm so excited to tell you all about it since it's been my go-to place for learning new DIY skills. Craftsy has over 2,000 classes in more than 20 different categories, and I've been completely hooked. Recently, I've been obsessed with their upholstery class, which is such a DIY game changer. I've been also loving their painting courses. They are perfect for creating amazing and unique wall art that adds a personal, high-end touch to your home. The instructors are amazing at breaking down each technique into simple, easy-to-follow steps, whether you're into painting, cake decorating, or DIYing for your home, such as me. Not to mention, you'd be joining this wonderful community of creative people who share the same passion for making things unique. I'm already planning to take their woodworking class next to up my woodworking game and do more DIYs around my home. And the best part is that the first 1,000 of you to click the link into the description box will get a full year of premium membership to Craftsy for only $149. I mean, that's less than a coffee for an entire year for new members to access all these amazing classes. So hurry up to get it. Thanks to Craftsy for sponsoring today's video. Now let's get back to our IKEA finds. Now, when we're talking about furniture pieces that look like designer products, my first thought goes to the EKENÄSET Armchair. And for a good reason. This armchair is not only high quality, made out of solid wood, but for what it offers, comes at a pretty decent price. Chairs that look similar cost so much more, and compared to those, this one is a steal. This chair will add a stylish retro vibe to the room with a classic look that goes anywhere in the home. My favorite option is this one in black and dark walnut. Another chair that looks so retro and timeless is the DYVLINGE Swivel chair. I've talked about this one in my mid-century modern IKEA finds video, and I can't stress enough about how good this chair looks. It's a real classic that will elevate the look of your space so much. You can find so many dining chairs at IKEA, but one that really stands out from the crowd is the LUSTEBO Chair. This comfy and elegant upholstered chair is such a modern classic that looks so high-end. With a soft cushion seat and minimalistic design, this chair will add so much style to your space. I especially love the chrome legs and the airy shape. Another chair that's also an eye-catcher and a high-end IKEA find is the KRYLBO Chair. This one comes in blue and beige and has such a simple and light expression in a modern style that goes with most decors. This one comes at $90 and will definitely elevate your dining space, making it look minimalistic yet stylish. One of my favorite high-end IKEA products that came out in 2024 is the BAGGBODA Side table. This is another retro classic that looks so high-end and so much more expensive. Chrome is coming back strong into interior design, and this side table is such a nice addition that will elevate any room. It comes in white and this lime green color, and you won't go wrong with either of them. And when we're talking about tables, another classic that looks so good, yet is pretty affordable, is the JÄTTESTA Coffee table. This one has such a standout design that creates a real statement in the space. The shape and materials have such a sleek look, making any living room a place to love. I especially love the mix of materials they use to make this coffee table, which are metal and bamboo, making this coffee table such a quality and high-end piece that will serve for many years to come. IKEA has always been the best place to shop for mirrors, but one that's really standing out from the crowd is the LINDBYN Mirror. I've honestly seen mirrors like this cost so much more, yet this one at IKEA comes at $99.99. The rounded corners give this mirror a soft expression, and the black frame gives it such an elegant feel. This mirror will make your space look so elevated, whether you decide to place it vertically or horizontally. Another IKEA product that looks so high-end is the MOSSJÖN Cabinet with glass doors. Readed glass in general is making a huge comeback, and this freestanding shelf looks so good while storing so much. I just love how light sprinkles through the glass doors, making it so light and airy, yet it is not totally transparent and hides well anything you display inside. The open shelves are great to use for decor or decorative boxes, and it's a really quality piece to have in your home overall. An IKEA bench that looks so high-end is this dark green bench with storage. This bench has a soft padding and it's made out of this beautiful fabric, but other than looking absolutely gorgeous, this bench also offers a practical storage space. The lid is easy to open and is held up by a gas spring. Plus, the sleek and sturdy metal frame reinforces the shape and makes the bench feel so neat. I especially love the fabric, it makes it look so elevated. IKEA has so many stools that look and feel so high quality. One of those is the STACKHOLMEN Stool, made out of solid acacia wood and beautifully woven seat. I love the shape of it so much, it looks like a legit designer piece. Plus, the width gives it such an interesting and unique feel. Another IKEA stool that looks so much more expensive than it actually is the HOLMSJÖ Stool. This stool is super practical and is a real mid-century modern piece that's back in stores from this year. Loving it so much. Circling back to the core pieces, IKEA has so many gorgeous cushion covers that look so good. However, one that's always standing up to me is this super soft cotton cover with a crinkle effect and raw edges. This one looks like it's made out of linen, and looks so good. It is definitely a great way to add so much character to your sofa and at such a great price point for $9.99. Cushion covers that look like this can get so expensive, but IKEA nails it with this beautiful fabric and a great price. Another IKEA find that looks so high-end is this beautiful tray. This tray has such a timeless yet bold and modern design, making a real eye-catcher from a practical thing you can use on a daily basis. Love the simplicity and the richness of the walnut veneer, definitely a stylish minimalism that meets rustic. Rice paper lanterns are so popular among designers, but even though they're made literally out of rice paper, they tend to get so pricey. However, the RISBYN lampshade from IKEA comes at only $21.99, yet looks so much alike with those expensive lampshades. And despite that, there is a good reason why rice paper lanterns are so popular. They create a soft and cozy atmosphere in your home, spreading diffused and decorative light and making your space look and feel elegant and neat. And when we're talking about lights that make your home feel more elevated, I have to mention one more IKEA light, and that is this cabinet lighting. Adding lighting to your cabinets and shelvings will instantly make your space feel more well-designed and so tasteful. And this $24 IKEA lamp will make any basic cabinet look like a display shelf. Plus, it is so easy to attach it with screws or with double-sided adhesive tape on glass and metal surfaces. And the last product on my list of high-end IKEA finds is a laundry basket, and that's the SALUDING basket. This one looks so good in this handmade bamboo and will definitely add more zen to your everyday life. Bamboo is a natural material that spreads a calm and warm feeling and will transform any room into a pleasant oasis. And that wraps it up for today. I really hope you like my 20 IKEA high-end finds. If you did, make sure to let me know which one was your favorite by leaving me a comment in the comment section below. Also, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that like button to never miss another video again. I'm posting every single Thursday, so you'd want to stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching and for sticking with me to the very end. And as always, I'll see you designers next week. Bye! Mars, you're awake! Yay! Do you like these IKEA finds? You don't even know what IKEA is. Oh my god, Mars. Everybody loves you. Everybody keeps commenting for you. And you won't even open your eyes. You're doing a great job. You're doing a great job. You're making everybody happy. You're making everybody smile. Love you, buddy.